Hello, Rockstar readers. It's Miss Ferreira. I'm back with another read aloud for the lesson today. And today I have my mom, Mrs. Farrow.
Hi, boys and girls.
And I have my niece back. This is Aria Rose.
Say hi, everybody.
Look, Aria. You see everybody out there? Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Say hi.
So we have another lesson today to go with our read aloud. Today we're learning that members that are in book clubs, the Rockstar readers in book clubs, we have to use good book club manners. What are manners? Do you know what manners are, Aria? No, not yet? Okay. Well, manners is like when you say please and thank you, but we need to use good manners in book clubs. So what that means, since we're in a book club together, that means we have to take turns when we're reading books or take turns picking out the book to read, because it wouldn't be fair if I picked out the book every single time, would it?
No, it wouldn't be
Or
fair
if
at all.
you picked out the book every single time.
Mhm.
So you have to make sure you take turns. And when you're talking about the book, make sure you take turns talking about it. Not one person should be doing all the talking. You have to be talking, but also listening to one another. That's using good manners every day, not just in book clubs. You have to be a good listener, not just a good talker, right? Yeah. And also respond to each other. Ask each other questions. Ask, maybe what's your favorite part or what was the silliest part? And then you can answer your friend in your book club. And then you can also tell them your own answer as well. So today, the book that I picked out is the Thank You book. I picked this book out because it's called the Thank You book, and saying thank you is using good manners. So in this book, Elephant and Piggie, they're going to be saying thank you to a lot of different characters. We're going to see a lot of the old characters that we had in our Elephant and Piggie book. Some you will recognize, others you might not recognize because I never read those books to you with those characters. So are you ready to read along with me? Or are you ready for the book?
Say, yes, I am.
Okay, here we go. She's very excited. Yep, the feet are going. Oh boy, she sees all these characters. Here we have a lot of characters from the different books of the Elephant and Piggie books that we've read. You might recognize some of them, like Whale. And let's see here, the Worms. And the Dr. Cat, remember? Yeah. She loves books. Okay, this is called The Thank You book by Mo Willems. And Piggie saying, I am one lucky pig. We're all lucky, aren't we? I have a lot to be thankful for. I had better get thanking. What? Oh, I'm sorry. I am going to thank. Oh, you okay?
Cover your mouth.
I am going to thank everyone who is important to me.
Everyone?
Oh, Aria wanted to read that part.
Sorry.
Are you going to read Elephant's parts? Everyone.
No way. You will forget someone. You will forget someone important.
I will thank everyone. Oh boy, I hope I remember to thank everyone. It will be a thank-o-rama.
Wow.
Off I go. You like these pictures? Yeah. Squirrels.
Piggie.
Thank you for your great ideas.
Aw, shucks.
Snake.
Piggie.
Thank you for playing ball with me. So he's thanking all the characters from all of the Elephant and Piggie books that we read. The pigeon. Thank you for never giving up And I am sorry you do not get to be in our books.
That is what you think.
Because, Pigeon sneaks in at the very end.
Thanking is nice, but you will forget someone.
I will not. Mouse, birdies, rhino, hippo's big sister. Barky dog, pelican, bear, hippo, worms. Thank you all for being great friends.
Aww.
Wow, that's a lot of friends that he just thanked. You like that picture? Yeah. See that, Gerald? I am a thanking machine.
Piggie, you have forgotten someone important.
Who did I forget? Aria, do you know who I forgot? You want to point to it? Who did I forget? You're right. She pointed to Elephant. Look, Elephant's trying to give Piggie a big clue, like, right here. Hello, you forgot me. Do not worry, Gerald. My next thanks will be a big one.
Good.
So maybe now he's going to thank Gerald. And he thinks it's going to be him.
Yeah.
Thanks, Whale. You are nice.
So are you.
That's why he said it's going to be a big thanks, because Whale is big. Remember Whale from our other book? Wow. You were there for that book when we read that one. Oh my goodness, look at Elephant. Ice cream penguin. Thank you for your ice cream.
It is what I do.
Look at Elephant's face there. He's probably like, are you kidding me? Because he wants to be thanked too. That's Piggie's best friend. Oh.
Piggie?
Dr. Cat, thank you for being a great doctor.
You are welcome. Oh my. Fire.
Oh boy.
Piggie.
Look at Elephant. He looks like he's starting to get annoyed.
Mm-hmm.
A little upset.
Mm-hmm.
Brian Bat, thank you for drawing with me.
That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Piggie!
Oh my goodness. What's his problem?
You are forgetting someone. Someone very important. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You tell him. Really? Oh, now I know who you are talking about. Do you think he knows? Do you think he remembers? Let's see and find out. The flies. Thank you for cooking with me. The flies are talking.
Anytime, dude.
Oh my goodness, look at Elephant. It's like face palm. Is it a face palm? Look at that face.
Not the flies, Piggie.
I cannot think of anyone else I have forgotten to thank, Gerald. Oh my goodness. Is he ever going to realize it? Oops. I goofed. Piggie goofed. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Elephant Gerald. You are the best friend a pig could ever have. Yeah. Oh, you like them.
Gerald?
Let's hold it up for the students to see. You want to help me hold it up? No, she's holding it up too for you guys.
That means a lot to me, Piggie. But I did not think that you forgot me.
Huh. So Elephant wasn't talking about himself? Who could he have left out?
Do you know?
Oh boy. Who did I forget to thank?
Who?
Who did? What do you think, boys and girls?
Our reader. You forgot to thank our reader.
You are right. Oh, look, he looks embarrassed because we're reading it right now and Piggie forgot. I know. Did you predict that? She's a smart cookie like you guys out there. Thank you for being our reader.
We could not be us without you.
You are the best.
You did it. Great thanking, Piggie.
Thanks to you. Yep, I am one lucky pig. The end. Oh, do you see Pigeon? He snuck into the back of this book too. Oh my goodness. Well, I think, yeah. You like that book? Really? Wow. Can you believe she thinks that? All right, boys and girls. So today, remember, we learned that good book club members, they take turns. They use good manners. That's right. Yes. They ask each other questions, and they have to be good listeners. Like Aria, you were a good listener today, weren't you? Yes. But they shouldn't blow bubbles at each other, should they? Huh? Yeah, we shouldn't stick our tongue out at each other, should we? All right, boys and girls, so have fun today with your own books. Read them with your siblings at home or your family members or even over the phone to other family members and friends. And don't forget to use good book club manners. All right, thanks for joining us today. Thank you, Aria Rose, for sitting along with us and enjoying another story. Here, do you want to read it next? Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Is that, oh, it looked like she was about to say thank you. Her mouth's going. Oh, she's sticking her tongue out at the book. That's not really good manners. All right, what are we going to say for our goodbye?
Rock on!
See you next time, boys and girls.
Bye, boys and girls.